Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the Chromecast 4K error showing no power, showing no power and power. So the problem with this is that because you are using the charger adapter, does not give out enough output power. Okay, so here I have the Chromecast connected to an adapter. Okay, this is the output charger adapter and it's only have 1 amp output. Okay, so this one here showing there's only 1 amp. So what I need to do is I need to replace it with a different charger. And this one here is a Samsung charger. It has an output of 2 amp right there. So you need, for Chromecast, you need at least a charger with 1.5 amp. If the output is lower than that, then it will not have enough power to support your Chromecast 4K. Okay, so let's plug the cable into this charger adapter. Now, apart from the power adapter, another thing that you want to check is the charger cables. So this cable here sometimes can go faulty, and when it does, it gives very low voltage to your adapter. So here on this one here, I have replaced the cable as well, and I have replaced the power adapter as well. And after doing so, my Chromecast have worked as expected. So if you have that no power or not enough power error message, simply replace the charging cable or replace the charging adapter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.